Stay off the course today. 19 slang words, 5 countries, the same concept, 5 completely different words. Say the wrong one in the wrong place and you'll sound like a textbook, not a local. Block 1. How to say cool. Word 1, guay, G-W-A-I. In Spain, this is how you say cool. Esa película es guay. That movie is cool. Word 2, chido, C-H-I-D-O. In Mexico, this is the word. Also, padre, which literally means father but means cool. Está muy chido. That's really cool. Word 3, copado, C-O-P-A-D-O. In Argentina, this is how you say cool. Está copado. It's cool. It's great. Word 4, chévere, C-H-E-V-E-R-E. In Colombia and across most of Latin America, this word means cool. Also, bacano, which feels a bit more enthusiastic. Que chévere, how cool. Word 5, bacán, B-A-K-A-N. In Chile and also Peru, this is the local word for cool. Está bacán, that's cool. Quick review: Spain, guay; Mexico, chido; Argentina, copado; Colombia, chévere; Chile, bacán. 5 countries, 5 words, same meaning. Block 2. What locals call each other. Dude. Word 6, tío, T-I-O. In Spain, this literally means uncle, but between friends it means dude. Tío, ¿qué haces? Dude, what are you doing? Word 7, güey, güey. In Mexico, this is used constantly between friends. ¿Qué onda, güey? What's up, dude? Word 8, che, C-H-E. In Argentina, che means dude, but it's also used just to get someone's attention. Also, boludo, more informal, friendly between close friends. Che, boludo, ¿todo bien? Word 9, parce, P-A-R-C-E. In Colombia, short for parcero, this means friend, buddy. ¿Qué bobo, parce? What's up, buddy? Quick review: Spain, tío; Mexico, güey; Argentina, che; Colombia, parce. 4 countries, 4 ways to say dude. Block 3. How to say okay, let's go. Word 10, vale, vale. In Spain, this is everywhere. It means okay, got it, agreed. Word 11, órale, órale. In Mexico, this means wow, okay, or let's go, depending on the tone. Also, ándale, for come on, hurry up. Word 12, dale, dale. In Argentina, this is the word for okay, sure, let's do it. Dale, vamos. Okay, let's go. Quick review: Spain, vale; Mexico, órale; Argentina, dale. 3 countries, 3 ways to agree. Block 4. Slang for work. Word 13, chamba. Chamba in Mexico, this is the casual word for work or job. Busco chamba, I'm looking for work. Word 14, curro. Curro in Spain is the equivalent. Voy a curro, I'm going to work. Word 15, laburo. Laburo in Argentina is how you say work, job. Voy a laburo, same meaning, completely different word. Quick review: Mexico, chamba; Spain, curro; Argentina, laburo. 3 countries, 3 ways to say job. Block 5. Words that don't translate directly. Word 16, quilombo. Quilombo. In Argentina, this means a mess, chaos, a complicated situation. Esto es un quilombo. This is a mess. Word 17, chafa. Chafa. In Mexico, this means cheap, low quality. Esa camisa es bien chafa. That shirt is really cheap looking. Word 18, fresa. Fresa. In Mexico, this literally means strawberry, but as slang it means preppy, snobby. Is muy fresa. He's very preppy. Word 19, grosso. Grosso. In Argentina, this means awesome, great, usually describing a person. Sos un grosso. You're awesome. 19 words, 5 countries. The same language sounds completely different depending on where you are. Subscribe for more real Spanish, the kind that actually sounds local.